once you click it, it will say the slot is already booked, for the booking will be in waiting list. So if I click on book, my booking will be in the waiting list. But here I'll use the next slot. I'll do a booking here, confirm booking, yes, booking successful. So my booking is in 9:15. So it's city user 2 booked on 9:15. But on April 10th, I'll use the same slot and I'll intentionally go to the waiting list slot. So once I click here, it will ask me to book for a waiting list. I say yes. Okay, booking successful. Now it says my booking and my waiting list is 1. Now I'll log out again, and I'll log in as user 3 @cityfinance.com. Sign in. I'll again go to 9th of April. I see first one has been booked by city user 1, the second one booked by city user 2. I'll be using the third slot and confirm booking successful. I'll go to 10th of April. It's taking some time in retrieving the information. Okay, I'll refresh it once again. Go to April 10th. Okay, here now it's not showing me that this has been booked by how many people. It's just saying that booked by others. And if I click on book again and I click on book, it says, are you sure you want to book with the waiting list? Say okay. Now booking successful. I can see my booking and I can see here the waiting list is 2. If you remember, for city user 2 the waiting list was 1. Since I used the same slot, my waiting list is 2. Now I'll log out and I'll again log in as a client administrator. So now if I go to April 9th and select Citibank, now I can see the names as well, who has booked. So I can see city user 1, city user 2, city user 3. If I go to April 10th, so here there are 3 bookings which has been taken place and it's in red color. That means this is a waiting list slot. If I click on it, I can see this. The first user to book is a city user 1, and waiting list 1 is for city user 2, waiting list 2 is for city user 3. Now let's do something. Let's cancel one booking as an administrator. On 9th of April I'll cancel, let's say, city user 1's booking. Cancel booking. Okay. And okay, let's do one thing. I'll not close this window, I'll keep it open, and inside of it I'll use another browser so that simultaneously we can check. So I go to simple.in. I log in as a user 1 @city.com, password. So the administrator has cancelled my booking on 9th of April, Monday. Go here to 9th of April. Okay. So when I'm here, 9th of April, I can see my booking has been cancelled here. And if I go to 10th of April, let's say I see my booking here because I did the booking first, so I am not aware that people have already made bookings here. People are already in waiting list, but yeah, my booking is here. but as an administrator I can see all the bookings here. Now I'll do one thing, I'll cancel my own booking here. I do cancel my booking. Are you sure? Booking cancel. Now it says booked by others. That means for the same slot other people have already booked, and since I cancel my booking, now city user 2 and city user 3, now city user 2 was in the first waiting list, he should become the main booking, and city user 3 was the second waiting list user. Now it will become the first waiting list user. That we can see on the client administrator or administrator page. Now I'll select again. Now you can see instead of city user 1, the main booking is for city user 2, and you can see here the first waiting list is for city user 3. And here I have got the option to cancel all waiting lists and cancel all bookings. Let's say I cancel all booking as administrator, all booking cancel. Now for user 1, if I refresh this page or I click here again, the slot is free. So that's pretty much how the booking system works. The client administrator, when logs, he can use the same calendar page where you can see all the bookings and all the waiting lists for their own users, but they will not have the option to cancel a booking or cancel waiting list. Similarly, when a therapist logs in, okay, let me quickly log in as a therapist. This will show you. So we used therapist A at wayb.com. And I can select a client. Yeah, this is the message you'll be getting. You are not assigned for this date or client. So April 9th I selected, and I can see April 9th, these are the two users. So that's pretty much how this booking system works.